Well, good morning. It is Saturday. Hope you can see me. This lighting is bad. Let's see. That might be better. So, like I said, it's Saturday, another full day of eating. I'm going to get started with my coffee, and we're probably going to go on some road trips. So, stay tuned, people. Okay, we are on our little road trip, and we are on Forest Service Road 37 in the Okanagan Forest. So, yeah, look at this beautiful scenery. Okay, people, we are continuing on Forest Service Road 37. So, look at all of this. Okay, people, we are at a higher elevation, and it looks like we can't go any further because up ahead is snow. Yes, there's snow. So, change of plans, even though I didn't tell you what the plans were, but we're going to turn around on this little precarious little road here, and I don't know. When we figure out what we're doing, I will let you know. Okay, we're in a quick reroute. So since the last time I talked to you, it has been almost an hour and 25 minutes. So we're now on Forest Service Road 5130. We're going to keep going. Looks like we're going towards Billy Goat. So we're going to show some road pictures, and I will be back. Okay, this is some of the scenery where we're driving. It is gorgeous. I don't think you're really capturing the full breadth of the beauty here, but I'm gonna try. It's so pretty. And our ending destination is going to be Mazama, which is a beautiful little town. So I will probably more than likely pick back up there, but this is just so pretty.
This is what we want right here.
So pretty. Okay. All right. We're getting ready to take, I think this is 5220 now. Yeah, we're on 5220. So, we're continuing down the road, and it's lovely, just lovely. Okay, I will see you guys later. Okay, I am back to update you guys. We are still headed, getting to our ending point of Mazama, and look what we found on this road. And there's actually a little car up there, if you can see it. They're stuck. My friend just went to see if it could help get them unstuck in their car. We are not sure if we want to even chance trying to get through it. I mean, it's not like it's goes for miles for snow, but that little patch where it's at is pretty thick and heavy, and we just took our snow tires off probably a couple of weeks ago because we thought it would be all clear up here, and I guess not. So I will update you and let you know what we're going to do. I'm not even sure if we're going to attempt to even go through this. Yeah. Okay, quick update everyone. I'm still in the same location. We were trying to help the people out that got stuck in the snow, and we couldn't help them. It's, I want to say, 30 to 45 minutes later. So what we're going to do is go back down and try to find a ranger station if we can to try to get them some help, because they're really stuck. And we're not going to even go through it even though we have chains, because we might get stuck. So we're headed back down in the same direction we were coming up to try to see if we can get some help for these people. Wow, this has turned out to be quite the interesting day. I will keep you updated. Alright, update. We finally made it to Mazama. We're at the Mazama General, and we're sitting down getting a bite to eat. It's late, so they didn't have much, and this is all I got. It's like smoked salmon spread, and I got a tea. So, update on the stranded people. While driving to Mazama, we saw a police officer, and we told him what happened and gave him the location, and he's going to go take care of it and rescue the guys. So, yay for that. We're not sure what else we're going to get into. It's still daylight, and it's going to be daylight for about probably 3 more hours, so we'll let you know what happens from here. Alrighty, see you later. Alright everyone, I am going to wrap up this video for today, and I want to thank you for following me on my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will be back on Tuesday for another full day of eating. I will see you then. Bye bye everyone.